So, teen pregnancy is on the rise, apparently. Everybody's having sex. Shouldn't be doing that.
Although it feels good.
Yeah, feels pretty good, you know. Especially if you got a, pretty hot guy. Try to. But anyway, moving on. Man, that backseat of the car. Okay, moving on. It was good, but remember, don't have sex. Okay, Brittany's going to tell you some reasons why you shouldn't have sex.
Pregnancy. Okay. Okay, you know some more.
Okay, pregnancy is one. STDs. But we prefer y'all. Let's see. Anyway, don't have sex.
Yeah.
Even if it's good, even if it's, he's pretty big downstairs. He knows what he's doing. And 3, even if it feels awesome, it's kind of rough, kind of makes you moan. You shouldn't have sex.
Just make sure you cover your junk before you put it in the trunk.
Yes.
Just saying.
Baby. Shut up in there. We're trying to tell people not to have sex. Anyway, don't have sex. Because you're going to end up.
That was so rough. Oh my God, girls.
So what are we doing?